Namaskar, I am Dr. Amit Bharadwaj, scientist from India Meteorological Department. I welcome you all for daily weather briefing for 15th of December. Now, if we see past 24 hours weather observed, the minimum temperature are in the range of 6 to 9 degrees Celsius over many parts of Punjab, Haryana, North Rajasthan, and North Uttar Pradesh. And these are below normal by 2 to 3 degrees Celsius over some parts of Haryana, North Rajasthan, and Northwest Uttar Pradesh. We also see the heavy rainfall at isolated places over Kerala and the significant amount of rainfall which is observed at Kozhikode around 7 centimeters. Now, if we come to today's highlight, there is a deep depression over East Central Arabian Sea. There is also a low pressure area over Southeast Bay of Bengal and adjoining East Equatorial Indian Ocean. And you will also see the cold wave condition in isolated pockets over Himachal Pradesh, Punjab, and North Rajasthan during 16th to 18th of December. Now, if we see the synoptic systems in the satellite picture, you can see that there is a low pressure area over Southeast Bay of Bengal, and there is also a deep depression which is over East Central Arabian Sea. Now, if we come to details of the deep depression over East Central and adjoining Southeast Arabian Sea moved west-northwestward with a speed of 9 km per hour during past 6 hours, and it lay centered at 8:30 hours of IST of today over East Central Arabian Sea near a latitude of 13.9 degree north and longitude of 67.8 degree east. It is likely to move nearly westward over Central Arabian Sea away from the Indian coast. It will maintain its intensity as a deep depression till early hours of tomorrow and weaken thereafter. Now, under its influence, the heavy rainfall warnings, there is no warning for heavy rainfall as the deep depression is moving away from the Indian coast. Now, if we talk about the other system, the low pressure area over Southeast Bay of Bengal and adjoining East Equatorial region, it persists over the same region as per 8:30 hour IST of today, and it is likely to move westwards and become well-marked low pressure area over the same region during next 12 hours. Thereafter, it would continue to move westwards and maintain its intensity over Southwest Bay of Bengal till morning of 17th of December. As we have come to the heavy rainfall warning due to this system, light to moderate rainfall at many places with heavy rainfall at isolated places is very likely over Andaman and Nicobar Island on 15th and 16th of December due to this system. Now, if we give the fishermen warning graphics, you can see this as a warning graphics are being shown in the 5 days warning graphics are being shown in this map. You can see the polygon are showing the area where fishermen are advised not to venture. The brown color is the squally weather condition, and light green and dark green are basically the wind speed, squally wind speed, which are gusting from 45 to 55 kmph. And dark green is 55 to 65 kmph, gusting to 75. As you can see, for the deep depression over East Central Arabian Sea, the wind speed polygons are being plotted from day 1 to day 5, as well as our Bay of Bengal. You can see that day 1 to day 5, how the squally weather conditions due to the low pressure system over that region is moving from day 1, day 2, day 3, and day 4. The warning are been issued in the form of the polygon. We also see the squally wind condition over the Comorian area, and no warning has been issued for the fishermen for the day 5. Now, if we come to the minimum temperature forecast, so there is a gradual fall in the minimum temperature by 2 degrees, likely over northwest of India during next 24 hours, and no significant change thereafter. There will be gradual fall 2 to 4 degrees Celsius in the minimum temperature, likely over central India during next 4 to 5 days, and no significant change thereafter. There will be also gradual fall 2 to 3 degrees Celsius in the minimum temperature, likely over East India during next 2 days, and no significant change thereafter. We can also see no significant change in the minimum temperature likely over Maharashtra during next 24 hours, and fall by 2 to 4 degrees Celsius thereafter. There is also no significant change in the minimum temperature likely over Gujarat state during next 2 days, and thereafter it will fall by 2 to 4 degrees Celsius, and no significant change in the minimum temperature likely over remaining parts of the country during next 4 to 5 days. There is also cold wave condition in isolated pockets, very likely over Himachal Pradesh, Punjab and North Rajasthan during 16th to 18th of December. So these are the warning issued in the graphical format. As you can see that their cold wave condition are been issued for day 1, day 2 and day 3 over Punjab, Himachal Pradesh and North Rajasthan. And you can also see that thunderstorm warning are been issued over day 4 and day 5 over Kerala region and Tamil Nadu. So you can also visit and download these apps for getting the updated information. And you can also follow us on Twitter, Instagram, and WhatsApp to get the more updated information. Now I thank you and see you tomorrow. Thank you.